And I'm back with another video, man. So today's video is gonna be a story time, man. Story time. You feel me? I'm gonna tell you guys how I moved to the United States. You feel me? So it's gonna be a dope video, man. Some of you are gonna, learn a lot from this video too. So that's why I'm willing to do it, man. Because I wanna tell you guys how was it for me and stuff to move from Haiti to the United States of America. May 21st, 2011, 7 of us flew out to America. We left everything back home. Cause as a Haitian, man, like whenever you come into the United States, they tell you to leave everything behind and stuff cause they're gonna be able to get some new clothes when you come. That's how it is for us, man. So we left everything, man. The only thing that we came with was the clothes that we were supposed to wear, for a couple of days. That was it all. But most of our clothes, man, we gave them away to our family member and stuff, because they say, oh, we going to the United States, that's where they have a lot of clothes, blah blah blah. That's where they have a lot of shoes. That's what they told me. So when I came here, and then when we got to the airport, man, it was a struggle for us, man, because none of us spoke English. None of us, man. We didn't know what to do. Like whenever we started at the immigration stand, they were asking a question and stuff. Like I remember the question though, because one of the people that was with us, man, he kind of understand English a little bit, but he didn't speak it that much. So the dude that was supposed to check out documents and stuff was asking us, where you guys come from? But we were supposed to say Haiti, but we're looking like, damn, what is he saying? Huh? So we didn't know what to say. So my cousin was with us. I remember, yeah, my cousin was with us. So he kind of spoke English a little bit. So the people that was working in the immigration, at the airport, kept on asking the question over and over, because they take that thing serious. They wanted to know where we came from, because we had visas and stuff. But I'm pretty sure they saw that in the passport. They wanted to make sure, because you come into the United States for the first time, they try to make sure they put the right information and stuff, so they can send you they said they can send the right information in the system and stuff. So, and my cousin was like, Haiti, and with a strong accent, mind you, with a strong accent. I remember, man. So yeah, the dude was like, Haiti, and then we were like, yeah. He finally knew where we came from. It was a blessing, man. It's like God come down to earth to save us, man. That's how it was, man. So we had the layover in Miami. So when we got to Miami, the dude that was supposed to pick us up, he was waiting for us. But thanks God, we were following the people that was also on the plane. So we kind of make our way downstairs and stuff. So whenever we got outside, the dude he picked us up, and we went to his house because we were supposed to come to Texas in the next day. So we spent the night at his house and stuff. So Haitian people, man, when they first come to the US, they will try to give you a lot of advice and stuff, not to do this, not to do that. Man, when I got to the house, man, she had a daughter. Man, oh my God, her daughter, she was nice, but she was just talking too much, man. She was like, yeah, you came to the United States. Yeah, it's a great country, but don't hang out with don't make bad friends and stuff. So she was telling us a lot of things. She was like, yeah, I've been living here for a good amount of time now, so I have experience and stuff. I mean, I understand that, you feel me? Like that's really good of her. She's looking out for us, because we're new to the country and stuff. She don't want anything bad to happen to us, you feel me? So yeah, she was giving a lot of advice, man. Mind you, man, I was so tired, man. While she was talking, man, I was kind of falling asleep, because they cook for us and stuff. So we finished eating some good Haitian food. I remember it was TV sauce for all the American people, man. It was white rice and some gravy and some chicken sauce and sauce viande. That thing was good. I ain't gonna lie. Maybe because it was my first meal in the US. I don't know, man. It was really delicious, man. But yeah, man, she kept on talking and stuff, man. But listen, man, because I was so tired from that airport thing, man, because I was really over it. I was really over it, man. I'm like, oh my God, man. So how long they gonna keep us here for, man? Because I was trying to get out and go rest myself. I wasn't too excited about seeing the country, to be honest. Cause I mean, most of you might think, yo, like, how was it like whenever you got out of the airport and stuff, seeing a lot of beautiful building. But to be honest with you, I wasn't really like it wasn't really strange to me, for to be honest, because I used to see those kind of things on like in the movies, but I always knew that I was gonna come to the United States. I wasn't really excited in a way to say, oh, I cannot wait to come to the US. I knew it was gonna happen one day because my family, like, they really support us and stuff while we're in Haiti and stuff. Like, they're always making sure everything is good. We go to school and stuff. They're always sending money and stuff. Like, but we were one of those kind of people that will never beg the people in the United States to send money for us, but they always making sure that they provide to us because they already know how it is in Haiti and stuff. So that's why I don't know, like, I have respect for them and stuff for what they did, because I would forever be grateful for that, because if it wasn't for them, especially my uncle, if it wasn't for my uncle, I wouldn't be here today to, like, to entertain you, to make you laugh. So shout out to my uncle, man. I owe you a lot, man, because if you did that for 7 people, man, you have a big heart. That's when you really love your family, man, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. I'll forever be grateful for you too, man. So shout out to my uncle once again. So yeah, so like, it wasn't really strange to me. So when I got out of the airport, I mean, all I see was like a lot of lights, to be honest. I'm like, damn, it's a lot of lights, because I wouldn't really imagine that, because I came from Haiti, you feel me? Like, in Haiti, they don't be giving it the electricity 24/7 like that. It's like, yo, we had to, like, light up the lamp every night and stuff. Because I mean, at my house, we used to have it, like, an engine, you feel me? We used to turn it on and then plug it at the house and stuff, so we can, like, give the house some power. But yo, it was like, it was so different. When I got out, I'm like, dang, it's a lot of lights. Like, the world was really big, but it wasn't, like I see, it wasn't really that strange. I didn't say, oh my god, look at this. Like, it was just, I was just chilling in the car and stuff, because I already knew, like, how everything was and stuff, because my uncle always used to tell us this is how things are in the United States. So that's one of the reasons why I love my uncle, man, because he was making sure, like, whenever he goes to Haiti and stuff, he makes sure he brings some DVDs and stuff, so just to show us, like, how things are in the United States, like movies and stuff, like, feel me? So it was a great experience, man. But and the next day we had to go to Texas. Man, when we got to Texas, man, we got out of the airport. I mean, we got out of the airplane, man, so we had to get our stuff. Man, the train that goes around and stuff, oh my god. My dad got in one of them, and he couldn't even speak. I mean, my dad didn't speak English, you feel me? So it was like 6 of us that left out, and my dad I watched my dad walk inside the train while the train was going around and stuff. We were paranoid because we didn't know what to do, because I'm like, yo, we don't know, like, we cannot read English and stuff. We don't know what's gonna happen after, because we don't know if we was gonna find my dad again. My sister was crying and stuff, talking about, oh my god, we lost our dad. Yo, it was so funny, man. Yo, at the same time, it was kind of funny, because I'm like, yo, he kept on telling us to come, like, in the train, but the train was, the door, you know how the door be closing so fast and stuff. If you not trying to hurry up to get inside the train, it will, like, close on you and stuff and keep on moving. So that's why it was. So, man, we were paranoid, but so, like I told you, the train was making a circle and stuff. So when the train made the circle, we didn't know if it was gonna stop at the same spot. So when they stop when the train made the circle and they stop at the same spot, my dad walked out like he a bus. He knew what the hell he was doing and stuff. We were really paranoid and stuff, because, like, I don't think he knew what he was. I think he was trying to get out of the airport and stuff somehow, but he didn't know what was he supposed to do. He got it inside the train, but I'm pretty sure. But I didn't know if the train was gonna make a circle. But thanks God, we were able to see him again. And then after that, our people came and get us at the airport, man. They were so excited, talking about, welcome to the United States, blah, blah, blah. Man, so we came in May, so we had the whole summer and stuff, so we had enough time before we went to school and stuff. We had enough time, like, in the summer to watch movie, listening to, like, American music and stuff. It was a great experience, man. So they took us out, like, to shopping and stuff, like, yo, we're buying some nice clothes and stuff. Yo, it was a dope experience, man. But when we went to school, man, oh my gosh, I remember the first day of school, it was me, my sisters, and, like, some other people that was in the class, some Hispanic people, man. We were in the classroom, and the teacher was talking. I couldn't understand a word she was saying. I'm like, oh my gosh, is this gonna be for everything? Like I'm like, damn, I cannot do this. I cannot do this. Like every time, like yo, they speaking and stuff, I couldn't understand what the hell they were saying at all. Like I remember they used to make us read and stuff. I couldn't read English at all. But look at me now. I can read. I can talk. I can speak it and stuff.
Oh my God! Wow!
You feel me? So I say thanks to them in both, because coming from another country to like the United States to learn a new language is really hard. I ain't gonna lie to you, because I wasn't born here and stuff. I make my way up to learn and to understand like what to say, like to make a good conversation with people and stuff. So look at me now, like I'm doing good, even though I still have the accent. But hey, who cares, man? That's not my first language, you feel me? But yo, he was so difficult, man, because I remember one time I was trying to like ask the professor to go to the bathroom and stuff. I just walked out. I couldn't hold it anymore. So she was like, she said something I was supposed to, like, I'm pretty sure like that's what she said. I don't even remember. But I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. Like she was trying to teach me how to say like, can I go to the bathroom and stuff. I couldn't say it. But my sisters, they used to stay at my cousin's house. So my cousin spoke English and stuff really well. She was born here. So they used to like, communicate inside the house over the summer. But me, I was like with my uncle. Like with my uncle, my brother was there. Me and my brother, we used to speak Creole all the time. So they were not really helping me in a way. But they were really on my trying to like speak English and stuff, because they were like, yo, you need to like stop speaking Creole. They were trying to help me out. But hey, I brought it like a little book with me, man. If you were born in Haiti, boy, I know which one I'm talking about. It's like they say the word in Creole and they translate it in English for you. So I remember, man, one of the words said Tiem Rachem Ban Medication. In English. In English, it says, kill me, cut me, give me education.
What? What the fuck?
So that was the only word that I remember, like the only sentence that I remember. So I kept on saying it like around the house, kill me, cut me, give me education, kill me, cut. So my brother was like, what are you saying? I'm like, that's what he said. He said, kill me, cut me, give me education, like, tiens moi chez mon médication. They kept on laughing at me. I'm like, what the hell are they talking about? Like they were laughing till this day. They're still laughing at me, man. They were like, yo, this was saying, kill me, cut me, give me education. Like that don't make any sense. But now I look at it, I'm like, what the hell was that? Like them people in Haiti, bro, they just go back word by words. It doesn't work like that. You feel me? You have to like make sure you say it in the proper way and stuff. So that you won't get it twisted, you feel me, to say something bad. But them people in Haiti, they're trying to make their money, man. I thought it was good for me, but that book wasn't helping me at all. So when I went to school, they gave us some books, so I was able to see like the picture, like like they put the picture in the book for you, like finger, hands, blah blah blah, like it was visualized for us, so I was able to see things and stuff. It was pretty good. But man, what I learned from this country, man, I know a lot of you are like probably wondering that what I learned a lot, man. Like I learned a lot. Like this country show me, like make me think about back home. It makes me humble. I appreciate things more, and like because a lot of people in Haiti are like really in needs, but here it makes me like want to work hard every day so I can like take care of myself. Because the people in Haiti think they're in like hell, but they're not, to be honest. The people in the United States, not in the bad way though, like they ain't got time for themselves sometimes, man. I feel bad for them. Like the people in Haiti are living better than most of the people that's living in the United States. That's a fact, man. Because like yo, I watch my uncle, man, coming from work and then go like do some stuff like in the house and stuff, like go to sleep really late, wake up really early in the morning and stuff, and then to go back to work. I'm like, how do you do that? Like, but at the end of the day, he ain't got no choice. If it doesn't work, he's not gonna be able to make money to pay bills. But people in Haiti don't understand that though. They think we got it like that. We go outside like our backyard and then climb under the tree, get some money. It doesn't work like that, man. I never thought like that. Like I always knew that like you had to go to work to, you know, get your money, to taking care of yourself, to do whatever you want to do to pay your bills and stuff. But then people in Haiti, man, most of them don't understand that. They think like, you know, once you come to the United States, it's all about you getting money. Nah, there's a whole process to it, man. So if you Haitian watching this right now, man, if you have family in Haiti, man, you need to tell them it's not easy. I mean, I'm pretty sure they understand that too. But hey, I cannot blame the people in Haiti though. It's because they don't know. They just don't know. You feel me? They just don't know how it is for us here. I'm not saying like we're struggling, but hey, like every 30 days you have to pay a bill. You feel me? Which is, I'm not complaining about that. But in Haiti, we didn't get used to that. You feel me? It was like annually. But here it's monthly and stuff. But then people in Haiti don't understand that, man. Like they're thinking that we like in heaven here. But no, it is not. It's like before, you know, I buy this thing, it takes me like 8 hours, 6 hours to make that money to buy this jacket to put on me. You feel me? But some people don't understand that. But another thing that I learned is like pay attention who you bringing into your life, man. Because there's a lot of people here, man. What they're gonna do is they're gonna try to destroy your life, man. And I see that with my own eyes, man. There's people that I used to go to school with. They were telling me, you know, you wanna smoke and stuff. I'm like, yo, I came from Haiti, bro. Like whenever I was coming here, man, my grandmother, she makes sure that, like, you know, to give me a lot of good advice, man. And which is really true, man. Whenever she was telling me that while I was in Haiti, I'm like, she doesn't know what she's talking about. When I came here, I realized what she was saying are really true. Cause a lot of people, man, like here, they don't give no F. Like they will do anything. Like, cause you know, United States is like a free country. You can do whatever you want. Like, but us as a foreigner and stuff, like it's different for us. We cannot do what American people are doing. And then that's why we came to the United States for a better opportunity and stuff. So for all the people that's watching the video, if you're a foreigner, man, listen, don't follow like, you know, the American people, man. You can be. I'm not saying don't be friends with them. That's what I'm talking about. Like, pay attention to who you bringing into your life, because some people that you like become friends with might destroy you and stuff by like introducing you to do bad things. You feel me?
I'm stating facts.
So you have to look at what kind of goal they have and stuff. If they don't come to your life to destroy you and stuff, if they don't come to your life to, you know, to help you grow as a person. Because as a foreigner, like I was saying, man, in Haiti, if somebody sees you smoking, they will take you as a bad person. It's that we don't get used to that. And here, like, people, like, you see them like smoking weed and stuff, like, you know, doing all kind of drugs. Like, it's like cool for them. That's like really cool. But in Haiti, we cannot do that. Like, if you do that, they're gonna say vagabond. But if you feel me, like, you know, tilendeng, like all those bad words. You feel me? But like when like I said, when I was coming here, my grandma made sure, you know, she like gave me a lot of advice. Not only her, a lot of people, they was like, coming to a whole different country, you understand that, like, you know, United States is not your country. You have to make sure you be careful and stuff, you know, don't follow the crowd and stuff. I always remember that. That's why, like me, you'll never see me hanging out, you know, people that do bad things. Like, cause me, I come here as a foreigner. I'm trying to elevate myself to take that advantage to go back home and then, you know, help the people out and stuff. And then look, I've been here since 2011. It's about to be 9 years. I'm already a citizen of the United States. So I'm living the American dream. And so I'm like, why not like taking that advantage and stuff to go back home to help the people out? I mean, as you guys saw in on my vlog video when I went to Haiti, me and my sister went back home and then we're helping the kids out and stuff. Because I know, like, we came from a poor country, but it's a beautiful country as well. But if it wasn't for the politician in Haiti, Haiti would have been one of the richest like country on earth, because we have a lot of resources and stuff, but like, you know, they don't know how to use them in Haiti. It's a lot of corruption. You feel me? But if you want to participate, like, you know, if you want to join me and my sister to go to Haiti to help the kids, feel free to DM me and stuff. I will be waiting for it. That's what, like, I'm here for, man, to entertain you and to tell you something that might be good for yourself. Because like I said, man, I'm a foreigner. The United States is not my country, you feel me? I wasn't born here, but since I'm a US citizen now, like, you know, I have to play both sides, because, you know, I'm a US citizen, but I was born in Haiti and stuff. But I have to take that advantage that I didn't have when I was in Haiti, to make sure, like, whenever I go back to Haiti, so that people can see, you know, there's a big difference between 2011 and 2020 and stuff. So that's what I'm trying to do, man. That's why I'm not doing it just to show up, but I'm doing it because I know where I came from and stuff. I'm not gonna let the United States change me. I'm gonna try to go out my ways to, you know, do what I gotta do to live the American dream and stuff. Because it's a lot of opportunities out there, but some people take it for granted and stuff. Our people work so hard to get us over here, so I'm not gonna try to destroy my life, man, by doing bad things. So I will always make sure, like, you know, I do what's right and stuff to not do anything bad. I mean, I'm not perfect, you know. I'm not perfect. I'm not talking like, you know, like I'm perfect and stuff. I know I'm not perfect, but I will make sure, you know, I always follow what they told me and stuff to not go do bad things, so to stay on the right path, because I know for sure they would be proud of me one day. Because like I said, as a foreigner, man, we have to really take the opportunity and stuff, because we understand where we came from, and we already know we're in a better place now. So let's take that advantage, man, so we can do what we gotta do to better ourselves. So being in the United States make me become a more self-sufficient person. You feel me? Like back in Haiti, I used to, like, you know, depend on my parents and stuff to buy me this, to buy me that. But when I came here, I started, like, you know, going to school and stuff, you know, trying to understand the language a little bit. And then I got my job at was it 15 or 16? Yeah, I used to work at the fast food and stuff. I think Carl Jr. It was a fast food. I don't know if they have it in your state, but I know for sure they have it in California and Texas. So yeah, I used to work at Carl Jr. and stuff. I started there, like, you know, 7.25, man. I was making money and stuff, you know, little change and stuff. It wasn't a big of money, but I wanted to, you know, taking care of myself, because I didn't want to depend on nobody and stuff. You see what I mean? Like, cause I didn't want to buy people whenever I want to buy like shoes and stuff. I wanted to go buy it myself because I didn't want people to buy it for me. So that's why, like, you know, it makes me become more independent each and every day, because I never depend on nobody and stuff. I be traveling and stuff, make my own money. People be like, where you get that money? Where you work at and stuff? Where you always on vacation? But trust me, man, I be working, man. I don't sell a drug, man. I don't do none of that, man. I always work for my money and stuff. So that's why, like, you know, I'm trying to live that dream, because if I was in Haiti, I wouldn't be able to travel and stuff. So that's why I'm taking that advantage to explore while I'm young and stuff. Because I know for sure when I hit, like, you know, 25, 26, when I start having, like, you know, kids, I won't be able to do that. So that's why I'm trying to live my best life right now. So because the United States give you the advantage, you have to go out and you have to go and take it. You feel me? Because there's a lot of opportunities out there. You have to go and chase them and stuff, because nobody gonna do it for you. You just have to go and get it yourself. So I don't want to say much, man. If you want a part 2 of that, because I have a lot of things to say. I feel like I already said too much, but from 2011 to 2020, man, it's about to be 9 years. In May, I never been to jail. You know, I always stay out of trouble and stuff. I just mind my own business, man. So look at me now, doing YouTube, trying to, like, you know, entertain people and stuff, doing what I love. So yeah, man, like I said, man, I don't want to make this video so long. If you guys want to see a part 2, man, just make sure you comment below, and then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friend. They might watch this video and then they might learn something from this video and stuff. So don't hesitate to, like, you know, DM me and stuff. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then comment below to let me know what kind of video you guys want to see, man. So I'm out, guys. Thanks for watching my video, man. Thanks for the support. Went out.